Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you clear your Google Maps history. So at first just go to Google Maps. Now click the top right your profile icon. Now click the bottom second last option settings. Now click on Maps history, this option here. Now here you can see the delete option here, just click on it. Now you can select delete today, delete custom range, delete all time, or you can select auto delete, or you can just delete the map just clicking the cross icon here. Here you can see the deletion is completed. Now click on OK. So guys, that's how you can clear history on Google Maps. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.